Hey travelers, welcome back to my channel where we help you explore the world smartly, affordably, and sometimes for free. In this video, we're going to break down exactly how you can travel to Spain without spending money on flights, accommodation, or even food in some cases. Let's get into the 8 solid, legitimate ways you can make your dream trip to Spain a reality with zero travel budget. Number 1. Volunteer programs work for travel. One of the most popular and rewarding ways to travel for free is through volunteer exchange programs. There are global platforms like Workaway, Worldpackers, and Helps, where hosts in Spain offer free accommodation and sometimes meals in exchange for a few hours of work per day. Examples of opportunities in Spain: help teach English in a small village school, work at a hostel in Barcelona, assist on a vineyard or farm in Andalusia, babysit or help with home tasks for a local family. Tip: sign up for platforms like Workaway, Info, Worldpackers.com, helpx.net. Time commitment: usually 20-25 hours week. Perk: free housing, often free meals, and a local connection. That turns your trip into a deep cultural immersion. Some volunteers even get perks like bikes, excursions, or pocket money. Always read reviews and communicate clearly with hosts. Number 2. Flight hacking: how to fly to Spain for free. Flying to Europe can be expensive, but what if you could book your flight to Spain without paying cash? Let's talk about travel hacking with points and miles. Credit card reward programs and airline mileage programs can get you free tickets to Spain. Step-by-step guide: get a travel rewards credit card. Look for cards that offer high welcome bonuses, for example, 50,000 points. Meet the minimum spend, use it to pay for daily expenses, groceries, bills. Transfer points to airlines. Many cards transfer to programs like British Airways, Iberia, or American Airlines. Book early. Availability for award seats to Spain can go fast. Popular cards as of now: Chase, Sapphire Preferred, Capital One Venture, Amex Gold Card. A 50,000 point bonus can get you a round-trip flight to Europe on many programs. Number 3. Study abroad, scholarships, and grants. If you're a student or lifelong learner, Spain offers amazing free study opportunities. Many universities in Spain partner with schools abroad, allowing students to study for free or at reduced costs through exchange programs or Erasmus+. Types of programs to explore: Erasmus+ for EU students and partners. Bilateral exchange programs: check with your university. Spanish government scholarships like MECACID. Fulbright grants for Americans. You can also explore language assistant programs, where you work part-time in a Spanish school while receiving a monthly stipend. Language assistant perks: 7,001,000 per month. Free healthcare. Plenty of free time to travel. Number 4. Work abroad programs: no Spanish required. Spain is part of several cultural exchange and seasonal work programs, where you can earn or get support for your stay. You can apply for temporary or working holiday visas for some countries, or take part in youth exchange or cultural immersion programs. Options include teaching English as a second language, au pairing, live with a family and help with childcare, tour guiding or helping in camps and hostels, seasonal farm work, grape harvesting, olive picking. Search for See Spain, Green Heart Travel, Interexchange. Number 5. House sitting and pet sitting. What if you could live in a Spanish villa or city apartment for free? This is possible through house sitting and pet sitting. You care for someone's home or pets while they're awined. In return, you stay for free. Best sites to try: trustedhousesters.com, mindmyhouse.com, nomad or .com. Locations include seaside homes in Valencia, apartments in Madrid, rustic homes in Basque Country. Requirements: good references, Background checks. Love for animals if pets involved. Number 6. Content creation and influencer exchange. If you're a content creator, your camera could be your passport. Hotels, travel brands, and tour agencies in Spain often collaborate with influencers, photographers, and videographers in exchange for free stays, experiences, or even flights. How to get started: build a social media portfolio or website. Reach out to local Spanish businesses ahead of your trip. Offer high-quality content, shoutouts, or promotional videos. Freelancers can also pitch to travel magazines or tourism boards like Spain, INFO official tourism site. Catalunya experience. Visit Madrid. Tip: even micro-influencers with a loyal following under 1K can get collaborations. Number 7. Couchsurfing and free hospitality. For the true backpackers and cultural explorers, couchsurfing is a great way to connect with locals and get free accommodation. On couchsurfing.com, locals across Spain open their homes to travelers not for money, but for friendship and cultural exchange. You stay free and get a local tour guide, cultural insights, a real Spanish experience, safety tips, choose verified profiles, read all reviews, have a backup plan. Number 8. Competitions, travel grants, and sponsorships. Sometimes the world gives you free travel, you just have to look for it. There are travel contests, essay competitions, photography challenges, and sponsored projects that offer trips to Spain. Examples: EU-funded youth programs like Discoveroo for 18-year-olds. Art, writing, and academic competitions check with organizations and embassies. Sponsored campaigns by travel agencies or airlines. Prizes can include full expense-paid trips, accommodation vouchers, cash stipends for travel. Bonus tips: reduce costs where you must spend. Even if you manage to travel for free, there are a few things you might still spend on unless you plan smart. Travel with a reusable water bottle. Tap water in Spain is safe. Cook meals with hosts or shop at local markets. Use public transport or walk in cities. Book museum visits on free entry days. Tip: use apps like Roam to Rio, BlaBlaCar for carpooling, and Skyscanner for budget-friendly transport. Yes, Spain can be free, so there you have it, 8 legit, powerful ways to travel to Spain for free. From volunteering and scholarships to flight hacking and house sitting, there's a way for nearly every kind of traveler. All it takes is a bit of research, smart planning, and a willingness to explore differently. So what's stopping you? Spain is waiting, and now it's no longer a dream you have to save for years to reach. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, share it with your travel buddies, and don't forget to subscribe for more travel hacks and destination guides. Tell me in the comments which of these methods would you try first? Or have you already traveled for free? I want to hear your stories.